In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up or fix your webmail in your Gmail or Google account. This is a straightforward process, but it requires a few important steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the Google website address. Once you're on the Google homepage, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, you need to sign into your Google account. Look for the sign in button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be guided through the sign in process. Make sure you have your account credentials handy. If you've already signed in, you'll automatically be taken to your Google account page. Once you've successfully signed in, click on the Gmail link to access your email dashboard. This link can be found at the top right corner of the Google page. It's a good habit to double check that you are indeed in the right account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Now let's go to the Gmail dashboard. This is where you manage all your emails and settings. Look for the gear icon, which signifies settings, and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, find and select the See All Settings option. This will open a new page with a variety of customization options. It's crucial to be familiar with these settings as they control your email's appearance and functionality. The next step is to find the Accounts and Import tab at the top of the settings page. Click on it to open a section devoted to account management. This is where you can import mail from other email accounts, adjust email send settings, and more. Within the Accounts and Import tab, look for the Add a Mail Account option. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the account you'd like to add. Input your webmail address and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. During this process, you might need specific server details from your webmail provider, such as POP3 or IMAP settings, so it's wise to have those ready. Following the prompts ensures your webmail is properly linked to your Gmail account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have your webmail successfully integrated or fixed within your Google account. This integration allows you to manage multiple emails from a single interface, streamlining your workflow and ensuring you never miss an important message. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.